do, damned if I don't. You know I got a girl back home. You got a man, what you want, what you want. What these bitches want from a nigga? Want some DMX shit. I know them other niggas love tricking on some BMX shit, but not me. Now I'm sure you done heard about me. A Black Star, Mos Def, Kweli. Good, so them bad hoes try me, they try me. This is Martin Luther King in the club, getting dubs. With a bad bitch in his ear saying that she down for whatever. In the back of his mind is Coretta, and she knows, and I know she knows.